Is it a donut? Is it a brownie? It's a BRONUT. Let's jump in.
What you're going to do is you're going to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Here's the ingredients, they're also in the description below, so go check them out there. To start with, on a hob with a medium heat, you're going to melt your butter, your dark chocolate. I like to put the butter in first just to make sure it starts melting quicker, and then you can add the chocolate in. Make sure it's all melted and combined together, then set aside to cool. Once that's cooling, in a stand mixer,
You're going to mix your sugar and your eggs.
mix them together roughly for about 5 minutes until the consistency doubles, turns a pale colour and becomes like a mousse-like texture. Once it's all mixed together, you can add the melted chocolate mixture into the eggs and sugar. Make sure that you carefully fold this in, as you don't want to beat any of the air bubbles out that you've just created. Once that's all folded in, you can add your cocoa powder and flour. I like to sift it through a sieve just so that there's no lumps. Fold that into the mixture carefully. Once it's all folded in, you can then add your extra chocolate. Fold them all in, make sure all the chocolate is dispersed evenly throughout the mixture.
Then what we need to do is we need to pipe the mixture into the baking trays. So get a piping bag, I pop it in a glass just to keep it sturdy, and spoon the mixture into the piping bag. It's really important that you put it into the piping bag instead of trying to spoon it into the trays, because then it just gets really messy. Once the mixture is completely in the piping bag, twist it at the top to make sure it's all in and push it down slightly, and then just snip the end off so we can start piping.
Make sure that they are even.
Pop them in the oven and leave them to bake for about 15 minutes. Once they're baked, take them out and you need to pop them onto a baking tray upside down. So leave them to 2 to 5 minutes just to cool down a little bit, and then you should just be able to lift the baking tray up and the donuts fall out.
Thank you for watching. Let me know if you make the brownies, and if you've got any questions, just pop them in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you.